Welcome back, everyone. Honest Try TV. Jason here with
Nicole.
And today we found another boba item at Costco, and we were like, "Whoa!"
Because we love boba.
We gotta try this out. So this is gonna be an unboxing of this brown sugar boba
Ice milk bar.
Yep, that's it. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. And Nicole, I'll let you do the honors.
Oh,
Here's the plate.
Thank you, kind sir.
We're going to open it up and see what we got inside.
It's a little anticlimactic. All right, so,
Wow.
all right. There we go. So it looks like we have 3 separate boxes, actually. Pull out one of them. So inside the box, we have 4, I'm guessing. 4 bars. Can't read this. Well, I can read some of it. Unique taste before it would again. The unique taste you have never had before. There we go. It would be worth to try again and again. Okay, great. And here's our product. These are all of our ingredients. We've got a breakdown in English here. How much sugar are we looking at? Dun, dun, dun.
Nice.
A lot. So, yeah, whatever.
Wouldn't be boba.
Who cares?
Yeah.
Who cares? All right, so let's see. How do I get into the box?
I want to see the side real quickly. I hope it's actually like this, where the boba is spread out through the entire bar, and each bite you get some boba in.
I'm nice. Sure. They better. All right, how do I break into this?
The top? Okay.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, kind sir. Thank you. And I did read that correctly. There are 4 in each box. So that means a grand total of 12, right? So 4 times 3.
Yep.
And here is the bar looks like.
Very nice.
There we go on the inside. All right.
Let's open it up.
So let's open it. Easy to tear packaging.
Oh, wrong way.
No, it's just right way.
Is it?
Yeah,
okay.
because the stick is right here. I can feel it.
Is it
interesting?
Is it? Yeah, it looks like it's melting, or it's.
Oh, it's very soft. Oh,
is it?
Lord.
Oh.
Oh, she's soft. Okay. Let me not destroy this, Lord, Nicole. Come on. I'm trying to keep it intact, guys. It's really soft. Like, it feels like it's going to break at any time. So this is what it looks like, and it's on a stick.
Sweet. All right, take a bite out of it. Let us know what you think.
I'm just going to lick it. Very sweet. Tastes like boba. I'm trying to see what this is on the bottom. Oh my gosh. Okay. I thought this was vanilla. It tastes more like cream. Like the cream that you would get in coffee, sweet cream. And yeah, that is boba. Right there. So there does seem to be boba distributed like throughout the bar.
That's pretty good.
It tastes amazing. It's really good. But it's very sweet, Lord. It's intense. Here, Jason, you try it.
So I took an actual bite, and you know what? I'm very surprised. The boba
is not hard.
It's not hard at all.
Yeah.
It's very chewy, soft, and it goes down easy. Awesome. It's not even like frozen, like, you know, like peas or something.
This is not hard at all.
Yeah, this is really good. It's very sugary and sweet for sure. You can't cut it with milk, obviously.
It's like soft serve ice cream.
Mm-hmm. But it does taste like a boba drink.
It does.
Like, yeah, without a doubt. I'm surprised that the boba is nice and soft.
Yeah.
Because I was worried this was going to happen. Like they're going to be rock hard. But no, nice and soft. So it's doable. It's not going to hurt your throat as you're swallowing it.
Yeah. This is really good, guys. Really, really good.
Would you get this again?
Yes.
I can't remember how much it was. I think it was like
Yeah, I remember.
$14 or something like that. at Costco.
Yeah.
But it's very tasty.
Really good. I give this a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. We will be getting more of it. And I'm so glad Costco is carrying products like this.
Yeah, no, it's really cool. So this was the...
You're not going to be able to... the brown sugar pearl milk ice bar.
Oh, here you go. There's its packaging right there. 12 of them in the box. 4 in each, 3 boxes. All right. Well, if you like this type of content, everyone, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. We'll be going to Costco, seeing if we can find some more cool items like these to test out. And we will see you on the next one.
Yep. Thank you guys for joining us. Bye.
Bye.